My candle, a vessel through which comes blessings, a candle upon which fire stays, a pot from which love evaporates, a joy and initiator of peace, a flower and a heart's favorite nectar. In my room, a light is lit, and my imagination seen. It is not hid, but revealed, not withheld, but released. A road shone with clarity. Darkness had yet clogged the future, but I saw me sitting, and you on my laps. Your hands like creepers wound over me. Like climbers, you stingily held me, and you had clung on me. I knew the true journey had begun. Yes, because I knew you are God sent. Now the imagination is lost in plainness. Vision at lonliness is consumed in reality. Your presence lit my tomorrow. And again opens another vision, a table of wealth and comfort, surrounded by hymn-singing children. I am Daddy, not to you only, but many now. My love, my darling, fulfill your role. You nurture the light of my future. Your heart accommodates a spirit that is peaceful and calm. You are the candle where light comes. Light from you exposed my worth. My instructions you turn to obese. Not only my house you made neat, but heart's bitterness is cleared. Not only my stomach is filled, but my soul got satisfaction. This love is from Christ. This is His promise, and I am settled. I will love more, my candle, my love. The title of the poem is My Candle. It is written by Dennis Ongora.
Thank you for watching Lango News channel. Please subscribe for more updates.